Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by powering and preparing the Arctis Nova 5. Charge the headset to full and locate the included USB-C cable and wireless dongle. Once done, slide the power switch on and press the pairing button until the LED blinks. This signals the headset is discoverable. Make sure your PC or console is set to accept new devices. For USB dongles, plug into a rear USB 2. 0/3. 0 port for stable 2. 4 GHz connection. This first step ensures a clean wireless handshake. Next, you pair and configure. Plug the 4 GHz dongle into your device and wait for driver installation. This gives lower latency than Bluetooth. Then open SteelSeries GG on PC or mobile to update firmware and set EQ and mic side tone. These improve voice clarity and comfort. If you prefer Bluetooth, choose Arctis Nova 5 in your system Bluetooth menu and pair. Make sure to switch audio routing in your OS or console settings to the headset, so game and chat audio go to the right. To finish, you verify audio and mic. Run a test call or voice recorder and play game audio to adjust game/chat balance within SteelSeries GG or System Mixer. If you encounter dropouts or static, try a different USB port, remove nearby 4 GHz interferers, disable USB power saving, and repair the dongle. These steps resolve most wireless issues. As a fallback, plug in via USB-C or 3.5 mm to confirm hardware. Keeping firmware current prevents many future connectivity problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.